1,000 pumped-up fans lining up to give the Bruins the biggest send-off ever. Shawn Thornton out first, slapping every high five, followed by Marchand and Seguin, the players overwhelmed.
It's fantastic. We're in a great hockey market, obviously.
And then Ference photobombed by Jágr. There was big love for the goalie. And big screams for Bergeron.
It's just a great feeling to be going out to Chicago and having all the support from the fans, so it's awesome.
For the guys who've been here before, as well as the newer first-timers, it's all about keeping their eyes on the prize.
But there's no time to really, get giddy, and it's all about focusing and bringing the cup home.
It was like this 2 years ago, so we know what to expect, so it's awesome to see everyone.
We love it!
Heart attack. I was having heart palpitation. You're doing a playoff beer?
Oh yeah, doing the playoff beer. It's coming in thick this year. It's going all the way.
Keep in mind, there were actually 2 sets of fans that were gathered here today. The thousands waiting for the rally and the others waiting to buy tickets. So a lot of fan energy here at the Garden. And reporting live from the TD Garden, Janet Wu, 7 News.
Well, just like the fans out there, a lot of others show